stop in?
Shut up. Shut up.
And
I drink coffee.
3 is it 3? Yeah, it's been 3.
You didn't even do an intro. Like, what are we doing? You're just right away ripping on me for having to pee. Really?
Yeah, that's how we start things.
What did you just say?
I don't know. What did I say?
Carl's not even driving. I have no idea. I think what you meant to say is we just realized halfway through this damn road trip we never did an intro.
Or an explanation of why the hell
we are even filming, or what we are even doing, or what our destination is, or what in God's green earth made us pick up a camera again.
And not throw it out the window.
No, you were too busy picking on me for having to pee 3 times when we first left.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
So the 12-hour journey is halfway over.
Halfway over. Where are we headed, Gerdo?
We're headed to the infamous Sloss Drone Derby? Is that what you would call it?
Sure. Or Sloss Furnace's natural historic location. If you want to be technically correct.
Oh, that thing looks sketchy.
I know.
Let's zoom in on that.
I really don't want to be behind it.
Yeah, let's not be behind that.
Should I get over?
Yeah, that does not look... That looks wrong. No, it's just a dude with no shirt doing things.
What the hell? What the
Right off the West Coast
What? Shut up! I'm trying to get past all the trucks.
You're in an 8-minute slowdown on I-24 East. You're on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 7:27 p.m.
Balls. That is a fuck long line of cars there just to get onto the freeway.
Did you catch it? Sorry.
Prick. Dick Spade, you ruined my subject. Fuck, man. Holy shit. There's not a bleep long enough for that motherfucker. What the hell?
That's good. Oh, I haven't done that in a while.
right off the West Coast
We got the yellows again.
What yellows?
That means there's gonna be some slow up.
No.
Dang it! You should.
Well, what I would do is I would pay off that debt as fast as possible and get the snowball effect.
Oh God.
It's pretty good, right?
So this is really his thing?
Yeah, it totally is.
Wow.
That's fucking hilarious.
I was like, some Ramsey solution? Really?
Almost there.
Oh.
How do you feel?
Me?
Yeah, how do you feel?
I feel like this is bullshit. We should
Yeah, but you
have left
drove
earlier. Huh?
I was gonna say, you drove the whole effing way.
Yeah, I don't mind that. It's just, it's like, holy fuck. Like, we didn't do anything but sit in the car.
Oh yeah, by the way, nightfall has commenced.
Wow, that's cool, okay? That's so neat.
It's something.
Holy shit.
Okay, that's wacky. I didn't see that coming.
I think we need to get some blow up, dudes. Oh, not now, but yeah, maybe later.
I got 3 batteries charged.
Your batteries?
3 batteries.
They're itching on you, aren't they?
Yep.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Hi, I'm Al Harrington, President and CEO of Al Harrington's Wacky Waving Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube Man Emporium and Warehouse. Thanks to a shipping error, I am now currently overstocked on Wacky Waving Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube Men, and I am passing the savings on to you! Attract customers to your business. Make a splash at your next presentation. Keep grandma company. Protect your crops. Confuse your neighbors. African American, hail a cab. Testify in church, or just raise the roof. Whatever your wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man needs are. So come on down to Al Harrington's Wacky Waving Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube Man Emporium and Warehouse, Route 2 in Weekapaug.
The next day.
Wire. Oh.
Did you get stuck?
Holy fuck, no, there was a wire there. Oh, I gotta stop swearing. Damn it.
You're in the Bible Belt now.
I know. Gotta behave. Look at this Sloss. Okay, I better get out of here. I'm gonna be yelled at.
it's gonna take us through the neighborhood. Okay, that's
Right.
make a left here.
That's a road?
It is. And there we are.
Shit. Look at this.
None of these people give two shits that we're.
Another
Well-
onside bake, probably.
Last time I was here, that guy was in his yard when the power went out.
Oh,
It-
I bet he gave two shits.
The guy flew into that. Took out the whole neighborhood. No, not over here. Oh, back up. Park next to the trees. There's nails and shit over here.
Ooh, that would have sucked, thanks.
Yeah.
That would have pissed me off.
Stay as close to this side as you can. Up there is probably best out of this guy's.
Peripheral.
Or right here.
Yeah, right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Alright.
Wow, look at this joint.
You've seen this in videos, no doubt.
Oh yeah.
Do a panorama shot.
Ooh.
Cool.
That's right in there.
Video of yours. Oh.
Yeah. See the roundhouse for the first time.
Oh my god.
Isn't it awesome?
Okay, we'll just stay here all night if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I say we sleep here too. That's just cool.
Your thoughts, sir?
Well, here's where you break some shit. Plenty of fun in here.
Down the end, right in the middle here, there's like a skylight.
Like dive down
You
in.
can go through it and come back around and
We
do
don't
the
call
top.
those skylights. We call them glory holes.
It's a giant glory hole.
Oh dear. Bando dust.
How do I know if it's boy? I don't think it's recording. God damn it. Kim sucks at drones. Shut up, John. Yep, Kim sucks at drones. I'm having issues.
Kim, are you gonna fly for the first time?
I'm trying.
Oh, it's gonna be your first pack? Ever? For the first time here. Have you flown since you've been running there?
What?
Have you flown since you've been running there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty good though.
The next day.
Now we're back for day 2. Oh, bring it in, bring it in. You got a laptop in here on the. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Yeah,
I
man.
love it.
How do I track drones otherwise?
Yeah, how do you run their
God.
plates? Run their FAA number.
That's right.
Later, Ken.
I'll just do that. That works too.
Good job, Kim.
Holy crap. That was like... Look out.
I like the wrench idea. I like that.
It'll just slide right out of there, though. I feel like.
Well, like, yeah, if you
would.
could crank it down, but that's probably gets a safety hazard.
That's a violation of OSHA.
Yeah.
If it comes loose and like...
Oh yeah, good point. Good point.
Oh, now all the cameras.
Body armor.
All right. Thank you, Charles. That was a great idea.
Yeah, you know, we tried it.
Safety last.
Safety last.
Safety last.
Getting close, getting close. Got about, nope, you're gonna hit it, you're gonna hit it. Straighten it out a little bit, if you can. You're gonna side swipe here, you got like 3 hands worth, 2 hands worth. Here.
2 hands worth was my mother's maiden name.
The one thing they don't tell you about Sloss is the train tracks getting into it. Oh, it's over.
Shoot.
Shoot!